Behind me sits the Kings Park Psychiatric Center. It was closed in 1996, operated from 1885 to 1996, and it's Long Island's #1 haunted place.
Chill, history buff.
Yeah, but we're gonna fly it, capture some scenes, and then get coffee because there's a winter storm coming. So let's go. Okay, so that's gonna do it for my New York / Philadelphia vlog. Had a lot of fun with this. This was a pretty epic place to be. Kings Park Psychiatric Center. Hope you guys all enjoyed this. They're gonna be tearing this place down pretty soon. So I'm really glad we got to fly it when I did. We got about a 3-hour drive to get back to Philadelphia. So gonna go ahead and do that. Winter storm is approaching. Hopefully tomorrow I can make my flight. I fly out at 4, so I should be okay. But next time you see me, I will be back in sunny Florida. Hopefully. No more cold for a little while. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Peace. Stay original.